Your worst fear. I am your demise.
Why are you possessing this boy?
Because it feels so good to ruin such innocent flesh. But I prefer the challenge of an exorcist's soul.
You only serve to diminish yourself.
Don't lecture me, priest.
What is your purpose?
I'm here for you.
Then you must know my name.
I know your soul and every shameless sin.
Tell me one of my sins. You cannot. Because my sins have been absolved by the one true Master, the Lord Jesus Christ.
Do not speak of
Are
him.
you afraid of him? Are you afraid of Jesus Christ?
Deus no est dic.
Deus ubique est. Whatever you do, you only do because God allows it.
Did he allow that? This is just the beginning. You don't know who you're dealing with.
Then tell me your name, unless you are too afraid.
I'm not some stupid fuck you convinced to get into a pig.
So you won't tell me your name.
My name is blasphemy. My name is Nightmare.
My nightmare is France winning the World Cup.
You prideful fool.